Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in the July postcard play hosted by Carrie Griffiths, who is Carrie the Crafter. That's C-E-R-I, the Crafter. So I am excited. Today is day 8, and so without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. I'm trying to get ahead on some of these videos. So number 8, I've got this image out of my the Cutout and Collage Volume 5. I really like this book. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there just to kind of break up the background a little. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I got the X's there. Let me check it again. I don't know, may like those X's better. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put that there. I hope y'all are doing good. I think I just said that, but it still holds. I've been doing lots of videos today, so it's kind of hard for me to think of things to say. This is, I think, my 4th video. Just trying to stay on top of everything. Okay. So now, I like that there. Okay, and I know I want this going that way, so I can go ahead and get that down. Okay. There we go. And I think we can go ahead and get this down. I have so enjoyed this challenge. I hope y'all have as well. I have seen some very, very talented artists. Just does my heart good. All right. This around. Oh, let me get these little fiddly pieces. Okay. Now, I think I kind of want to stick that there. I don't think I got my paper quite high enough, my background book page, but that's okay. And I want to put that there. And I've got some washi tape I thought about using. Just to add a little interest maybe. If I can find there it is. There we go. I like that. some of this. Why not? Oops. And there we go. I will tear that down a little bit though. All right. All right, now I'm just going to trim off those edges. Really not a lot to trim. And I think just with my gel pen, I'm just going to outline the telephone. Just to help it pop from the background. Okay. Oops, I'm making a mess. Alright, and I think I haven't done this in a little while. I'm going to add just a little bit of the glitter pen to my flowers, just to bring a little something to them. Just a little bit to go around. I like that. Just some dots here. And I think, speaking of dots, I'm going to add some around on my card. Get it out, Susan. I like that. And I'm going to round the corners. Alright. See if I can do a better job of this one. There we go. And I think this time I'm going to use my black Posca pen to go around the edge, just to finish it off. Oops. Let's just turn that, why don't we? I like it. And I think I'm just going to add some gold splatters. Okay. just to add a little something to it. And there we go. So I'm going to call this done. I've got my number 8 on there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay. And that's July with a Gely. So until next time, bye y'all.